Water gives life. It brings us together. It's the need that we all share, and it powers the Portland region. These are the stories water makes possible.
Back then, it was a pipe dream that maybe one day I could have a brewery. And just one of those things of just like, yeah, it'd be nice, but it never seemed like a reality. Time went on, the beer just got better and better, and I live in this neighborhood. There was a serious need for something like this in this neighborhood. One of our mottos is bringing people together one beer at a time. Assembly is also a call to action. Then there's also the Detroit reference of the assembly lines, and the original Detroit pizzas were made in spare part trays that were stolen from the assembly lines. I was making it at home, and it was one point when I hadn't been to Detroit in a while, and I had been jonesing for it, let's say, and I couldn't get any, so I had to learn how to make it. So I started making it in my home, go to a party at my house, you're drinking my beer, eating the pizza. It was, it was just kind of what I did. Not a lot that you have to get rid of in Portland since it's so clean. Portland is heaven as far as water goes because you just can't get that quality water in many other places. This is 80 pounds of dough, and then you have your ideal temp of water that you're going to put in to get it to the ideal temp so it rises the way you want to do. I'm someone who does what they love to do and got good at it and wanted to share it. And I see that the face of the brewing community is slightly changing. Maybe someone might say, oh, that's impossible in the future. They can say, oh, well, he did it. So that's kind of cool for sure. I really see the value in having that spot where people can come together and just eat and drink together.